How to contact Grubhub Customer Support. So let's get started with the tutorial. Basically, you cannot contact Grubhub Customer Support directly from the Grubhub app, so it will be easier to do so using any preferred web browser. So let me just open the Safari for now. Once inside Safari, tap down in the search address bar, Grubhub Customer Service, and hit enter. Then you can see there is an email provided, or else you can simply tap on the customer support at the top and navigate to the official customer support website. In there you can see customer care option in the yellow highlights. There you can find the email of the Grubhub customer support. Now all you have to do is type down the email and let the customer support know what problem you are facing currently in the Grubhub. Make sure that are detailed, or you can also simply put the screenshots if needed. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.